millions of savers who could be earning at least twice the interest that they are on their hard-earned savings. So we've created this sculpture here, this installation, really in order to highlight this problem, that while UK workers are working hard and are wide awake, their savings are fast asleep.
I saw the sleeping savings giant on my way into work this morning. I mean, it's huge and it looks amazing. It's a really cool surprise.
I try to manage my savings. It's hard to get like the right information.
Yeah, I probably could be earning more on my savings. I guess I'm not a very money savvy person, so I probably wouldn't know where to start, but I'm definitely interested in finding out more.